Parkside Cordless Vehicle Impact Wrench, 20 volt. It's a PASSK 20 LIB2, battery and charger included. 4 amp hour battery included. That side of the box, Allen tweezers. There you go, that tends to get opened. So you got the charger. It's got 4 sockets. And here it is. Battery just clicks on that way. It's got a belt hook, forward, reverse, so if you want to open or close batteries. Nice trigger. I think it might have an LED, I don't know. Checks the battery, 20 volts. It's got a good amount of charge in there. Clicks in nicely. It's got an LED, as you can see. Selects the Newton meters. That's 100, that's 400, 300, 200, 150, 100. Let's put it to 400. Nice. 100. It's a nice heavy unit. 1,890 grams. 715 grams.